Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your best curbside deals for the week of February the 1st to the 7th. And for all the new shoppers out there, what is a curbside deal? It is basically shopping through the app. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, putting your order in, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. Specifically for this video, if a lot of items are not in stock or they can only fulfill 2 of the items and not the full 4 that you need or 5, cancel your order because you need everything to work when you're using it with a booster like spend 45 to earn back 15, specifically on P&G products. The kind of shopper that likes to be in store, you want to see what you're buying. I recommend you watch yesterday's video. That's with the register rewards and in-store deals. And I will link this video at the very end. Register rewards are not provided curbside. Let's not forget that. And before we dive into the deals, I know a lot of you love my little gray cat. His name is Gizmo, and he says hello. If you can give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up or hit the hype button if you might have it, I'd be so grateful. Okay, so deal number 1, if you might be so lucky to have this, a 5 back on any transaction, you can use this the one time and you can use it online or in store. We are pairing it with the spend 45 to earn back 15 on P&G products, and this specific booster is online only. It will not work in store. The promotion in store is, I believe, to spend 35 to either earn back a $10 register reward or a $7 register reward with a really quick expiry date. Doing it curbside is the way to go. This first basket, we are going to go really Tide heavy. And if you look in the app, you actually have like a whole bunch of $3 digitals. So we're going to grab this Tide Pod for $15.99. There's a $3 attaching to that one for the larger one. And then we're going to grab the smaller one for $12.99. And there's another $3 digital attaching. And then if you don't like these scents that I'm grabbing as well, just grab whatever you want, as long as the coupon's attaching and the spend 45 to earn back 15 is also listed right under the coupon. We're going to grab one of these liquids for $15.99 as well with the $3 digital, and the smaller $12.99 one with the $3 digital. So that's $12 in digital coupons that's coming off right there. And then just to show you guys this, our course line, look at all those gorgeous 3s. And then using the code HEART20, an additional $9.20 melting off. Okay, the overall total for this basket is $57.96. After that discount code, $9.20 is coming off. So your total there, if you do the simple math, is $48.76. For the spend 45 to earn back 15, you are there. $12 in manufacturers coming off, so it's $39.69 you have to pay with your debit card, as the booster is to spend 45 to earn back 15 on P&G products. I know that is a large out of pocket, so debit or credit card, you're getting back 20, 15 for P&G, and an additional 5 for that weird little booster. So it makes every item like $4 and change, not factoring in the tax, but not a bad little deal. Okay, so the next deal that we're looking at, we're going to take a different avenue for some beauty care products. We're going to load this friend. Hopefully you guys have it. I know a lot of you do, along with the 15 back when you spend 45. So for this basket, we're going to be throwing in one of these Olay Super Serums for $34.99. And we have a $10 digital coupon, so make sure you have that friend loaded. We're also going to toss in 3 of these Olay body washes for $21. When you buy 3, you're getting an additional $5 of Walgreens cash online, and they're $7, so that is nothing to sneeze at. Looking at these coupons that are coming off in our chorus line, $5 for that Olay body wash, $10 for the super serum, and $8.21 with Heart20 melting off right there. Overall total is $55.99, subtracting $8.21, so the new total is $47.78. $15 in manufacturers melting off and a little bit of tax. You'll pay $35.65 with your debit card and then get back $25.55. A very good deal for the 4 items. I think it's a very good deal. Remember, do not use Walgreens cash, debit or credit only, as the booster is to spend 45 to earn back 15 on P&G products. Okay, so deal number 3, we're going back into looking at some cleaning products. Again, if you might have this, you're going to get an additional $5, so that's not bad. Then load this friend, the 15 back when you spend 45, online offer only. and we're going to be grabbing one of these really large Gain detergents for $15.99, and there is a $3 digital. The retail price for this at the pharmacy on a non-sales week is $19.99, so $20. Wow. We're also going to grab one of these larger flings, the 32 count, for $16.99, and there's another $3 digital that you have to load for this deal. And then we're also going to grab one of these scent boosters for $15.99, and there's an additional $3 digital that you have to load. I tried to add in some dryer sheets, but none of them were working with the spend 45 to earn back 15, but this Dawn Power Wash was, so $5.99. And then just to show you guys, I had to use Heart 15 for whatever Heart 20 was not working for me on this basket, and then we have the additional $9 in digital coupons melting off. So the total here is $53.96, subtracting $5.85. It's $48.11, so you're still at that $45 threshold. With your debit card, you're going to pay the $42 and get back $20, $15 for the booster, and the additional $5. Not a bad little deal, especially if you love Gain products. Moving this along, now a lot of you were asking for the Pampers deal, and I did do one for you guys. If you might have this, so make sure you have it loaded, and you can use this either in-store or online, but for this one, we're using it online. And then for the Pampers or Loves, although I could not get any of the Loves to load the last 2 days on my, I guess my store must be out of them. It's a 10 back when you spend $35. So on your $35 purchase with that other booster and this one, you're going to get back $15. Not bad. This larger box is probably the best value. You get 92 diapers for $33.99. That $5 coupon is a store coupon, so we have to be very mindful that we're not factoring that into the math. And then one of these I don't know if it's a 2 count or a 3 count of these wipes for $9.99. It's cheaper than buying the single bags. This is a store coupon, and I could not get WAG10 or any discount code to work with this. Maybe you'll have better luck than I, but I certainly couldn't get anything to attach. The overall total for my basket here is $43.98. Subtracting that 5, you're at $38.98. So for the spend at 35 to earn back 10, you're right there. No manufacturers for this one. With your debit card, you'll pay $41.32 and then get back the $15, $5 for that weird booster, and the additional $10 for buying $35 of Loves or Pampers. The final deal that we're looking at is this again, which is the 2 boosters that are stacking for the buy 2 to get 3, and then there's an additional one as well for like various clippers and sponges and pencil sharpeners, cosmetic stuff by the Walgreens brand. You might have this friend, it's going to be an additional $5 for you guys. And with this specific booster, when you use it on its own, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it because it's a reward. But the other ones like Pampers or for P&G, you have to pay the balance with your debit or credit card to earn back Walgreens cash. But with this one, it's completely different when you're using it on its own. This is an online only offer as well, guys. So any sort of beauty cosmetic thing that you can find that has the 2 offers stacking, it'll say it itemized below the item. I have some makeup sponges and then a fingernail clipper. I'm having a hard time saying that this morning. But when you buy these 2 products, you're getting $6 back. So that's great. And a favorite for many of you is the L'Oreal Elvive. We have a 5 off of 3 manufacturer plus a 2 off of 2 store coupon, but you're actually going to get an additional $1 off. So that's why it says 3 off of 3. $15.72 for the 3 Elvives. And for whatever reason, WAG10 would not apply to this basket, but I have the $8 with the 2 L'Oreal coupons. And then just to show you guys, $22.30, $3 coming off with that L'Oreal shampoo coupon, $5 manufacturer, $15.46. If you want to use $10 of Walgreens cash, go for it. And you're getting back $11, $5 for that stupid booster, and then $6 for the 2 Walgreens beauty products. Not bad. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Yesterday's in-store video is linked right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.